Hello, I am Sufal. I built a weather forecast application using JavaScript and CSS. Basically, it was assigned by Internsala to me. Here, I will show what it does and how I built it. Basically, people want fast and clear weather. So here I was built responsive UI, clear condition, location search as well as 5-day forecast. So here's the app. You can type any city and press search, or you can click use my location button to get local weather. Here the left side shows the current temperature, condition and a short description. I added Celsius Fahrenheit toggle button. Here you can toggle this button and you can see your temperature in Fahrenheit also. On the right side, here I added cards for wind and humidity. They show small animated graphs. Below is a 5-day forecast with date, minimum maximum temperature, wind and humidity, as well as I added icon for the informations that what is the condition of weather. And here I also store recent searches so you can quickly pick any city again. So technically I used the Open-Meteo API for geocoding and weather data, vanilla JavaScript for logic, and styling by CSS, Tailwind CSS, and I focused on performance and accessibility. For example, here I used defensive checks for API responses and a custom popups for error instead of alert. Here we can easily show the errors. So now next, what challenges I faced during this project. So the challenge is to making UI responsive. Like here you can see different type of sky. So here I need to make these skies big and small for different type of screens. Like in phones, I need to make small skies in background, as well as in tablet there is slightly bigger. So I faced this challenge. So basically it was my first video to express myself, so I needed to take many retakes.